Hello, this is Darson Grantham, Realtor with Keller Williams, and this episode is the week of December 14th of Multifamily Monday. So I'm going to go through all of the active listings that have went active in the last 7 days, all of the pending listings, all of the sold listings, all in the last 7 days. So here we go. Follow along. We have 5 new listings, and 3 of them were listed by one person or one LLC, and then 2 new ones. So we'll go through them each. We're going to start at we're going to go from priced most expensive to the least expensive. So first off, we have a residential and commercial property on Euclid. It's listed at $350, listed 5 days ago. It looks like it's 6 total units. There is a 5-plex on 21st Street, 1125 21st Street, listed for $300,000, which is a pretty good price. What it doesn't tell on here is who pays the utilities. Here's another listing by the same LLC as the one on 21st Street. This is 1318 23rd Street by Open Door Properties Iowa LLC, listed for $210. It is a 4-plex. And the last of them that's listed by that Open Door company is 614 Douglas Avenue. It's listed for $200,000, and it is a 3-plex. There's one more that was listed, and this one was listing in Ames. It's 710 Kellogg Avenue, listed at $179,900. It is a 5-plex. We're going to go to the price decreases. There was one price decrease. 2510 Forest Drive. And this is a duplex. I actually walked it right when it came onto the market. It was on the market 82 days ago. And the kicker with this one is that there is a cottage house behind it that sells with the house. So it's listed for $145,000. So you have to buy basically 2 properties, 3 doors, 3 units. And it does make up, there's a lot of potential. It's a fantastic neighborhood. There's one price increase, which is always interesting. Here we go. So this one is a price increase. And I just don't know the story behind it. It looks like it's listed at $175. It was originally listed at $165. So I wonder if there's some concessions behind the scenes on the offer, where someone wanted to offer $175 and get $10,000 of seller paid closing costs or concessions, something of that capacity. 4 properties went pending last week, and we're going to look at all 4 of them. So this one was also the one that got the price increase, so 5431 19th Street Southwest. And then 2822 Cottage Grove went pending after 3 days on the market. It is a duplex, 2 3-bedroom unit duplex off of Cottage Grove in 21st maybe. This property, 2031 Friley Road in Ames, no picture. It went pending after 1 day on the market. I wonder if it isn't the agent had someone lined up to buy it from the listing agent. The listing agent is the same as the selling agent. So I wonder if the seller had already contacted the agent and the agent found a buyer right away. So really wasn't on the market. It was just something that's called a 24-hour sale. And then this one went pending, $275. It was on the market 22 days. This is 2206 Indianola Avenue. This is an interesting property. It was rehabbed, and it looked like it is fixed up pretty nice, but it also came with multiple lots, 1 or 2 lots. Yeah, it came with 2 lots, 2206 and 2200 Indianola. Indianola is a very busy road on the Des Moines south side. Not a ton of business on it until you get down to where it meets Southeast 14th Street, but has a lot of traffic. And then in the last 7 days, one property sold, which is 649 20th Street. This property was a huge property, beautiful property on 20th Street in Des Moines, listed for $379,000. Again, 4 days on the market. It's 2 units, a duplex, 2 3-bedroom units. I'm just going to click through some of the pictures. Just a beautiful property. It was really cool. A lot of character, good area, big bathroom, which is rare in these properties. The price tag is pretty high. I'm curious if that's going to be an owner-occupied property or if that's a investor property. And then we had one expired, and that's 614 Arlington. I've actually walked this property a couple times. All the units are full. They are all getting, I believe, $600 a month of rent. But they're they're rough. They need a lot of cosmetic work. It was listed for, 227 days it's been on the market. Seller's not incredibly motivated, it doesn't look like. I'm not even sure they had a price. They had a slight price decrease. 220 to 225 at 61 days, so not a huge price decrease. And then the last thing, withdrawn, canceled 2 properties. Here's our, one we just talked about. And then a couple others is 5431 Southwest 19th Street. This one, it's odd that they did it this way. I'm not sure what the situation was. It's clearly a 24-hour sale, but why it was withdrawn, canceled in there, not sure. And then the property up in Ames, 3315 Tripp Street, listed at $225, on the market for 61 days, and withdrawn, canceled. Don't know much about that property. I just dabble with the Ames market. I don't know those properties and those areas all that well, but these are all listed on the Central Iowa or the Des Moines MLS, so come across my radar. So if you liked me kind of going through this, I'm going to go through it every Monday. I'm going to post it, and so that and you can kind of just keep track of all the multifamily properties that are kind of what the market's doing week by week. And I'll be back here on Monday and posting this, and we will see you next week. If you liked this property, or if you liked any of these properties, let me know. Shoot me an email, give me a text, subscribe to this channel so you can get weekly updates of these videos, and I will keep you posted on what's kind of happening in the small multifamily property market.